Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura. Welcome to my channel. For the month of December, I decided I wanted to do a giveaway each week. I originally wanted to do this giveaway after I got 500 subscribers, but it just never happened. Yeah, I don't really know what to say about that. And then I was going to do it in November, but I was still kind of coming down from doing a video every day in October for Face Masktober, so it just never really happened, and I wasn't quite sure how I wanted to do the giveaway, so I just wanted some time to think about it. So for December, we are going to be doing the giveaway, and the giveaway is going to be each week of the month of December. And I have, I just have some products that I had originally bought for the 500 subscribers giveaway, which, like I said, never happened. And I have these products for you guys, and I want to give them to you. So we're gonna go ahead and do this for December. And to be honest, I really hope it helps me gain subscribers. I hope that they like my channel and want to stay subscribed. And yeah, so it's something for you and something for me, so we both win. So I've never done a giveaway before, so I'm not really quite sure how to go about it. But my plan is at the beginning of each week, so either Sunday or Monday, I will post a video showing what the product is. The winner will be picked on Friday, and the winner will be notified on Friday, and hopefully the winner will get back to me on Friday. And then Saturday, the winner will be publicized or whatever. Like, I'll say, okay, this person won or whatever, and you have to be okay with that. You have to be okay with me telling people that you won. And for the first week of the giveaway, the product is going to kind of go along with the scheme I have going here. We got like the pink and purple monochromatic makeup. We got the pink sweater on. So of course we have to have a pink face mask. So we have the BOSCIA LUMINIZING Pink Peel Off Mask. I love this. I use it all the time. This is my own bottle right here. This one will be yours. And I actually do have a video using this and testing it out for you guys. If you want to watch that, I will link it down below to see if you're even interested in winning this product. But I thought it was really great. It's fun, it smells good, and it peels off all in one piece. So, it's a win-win. Okay, so this is the second time I'm filming the entry details for this video. I had filmed it and I was editing the video, and then I just realized that wasn't going to work. So thankfully I hadn't washed off my makeup yet, so I am filming this again. And this is the best way that I think that the entry will work. So you have to be subscribed to my channel. And in order for me to tell that you are subscribed to my channel, you will have to have your subscription set to public. Otherwise, I won't know that you're subscribed. I won't be able to see. And that's kind of the whole point of this, is for me to gain more subscribers and to grow my channel. And then you get something in return. You get to enter into the giveaway and possibly win. All right, so A, you'll have to be subscribed to my channel. B, you will need to comment down below your Instagram handle. So on this video, go down below to the comments and comment your Instagram username, handle, whatever you want to call it. And then you will have to go over to your Instagram account, find my Instagram, which I will link down below. You will have to follow me, and then you will have to find the corresponding post for this video on Instagram and tag 2 of your friends in it in the comments. So C will be following me on Instagram, and D will be finding the post for this video on Instagram and tagging 2 of your friends in the comments. So how I will be picking the winner for the giveaway is I will be going to the comments on this video. I will select one of you subscribers. I will make sure that you are subscribed, and then I'll go over to Instagram and make sure that you're following me on Instagram, and make sure that you left a comment on Instagram tagging 2 of your friends. And if you've done all of those steps, you will be the winner of this giveaway. If you haven't, then I will have to go pick out another person to the process again. Once I find the first person that has done all of those steps, I will then DM you on Instagram, and then we'll go through the process of getting your giveaway shipped and mailed to you. No cost on you. I'll take care of the shipping costs, so you don't need to worry about any of that. And I will make sure to list the details of how to enter the giveaway on this video down below in the description box, and as well on the Instagram posts that will be corresponding to this video. So make sure you're checking your DMs on your Instagram on Friday to see if you won or not, because if I don't have a response, then I'm going to have to pick somebody else. like I said, I've never done a giveaway before, so I'm not really sure how they do it or keep it all situated, but this is the first week. This is what we're going to try. So all in all, if you're interested in winning the BOSCIA Pink Luminizing Peel Off Mask, then just follow the details for the giveaway. I will put all the details in the description box below, and I will put the details on Instagram as well. And I will link the post, the corresponding post to Instagram down below. I'm pretty sure that I can do that, so I'll make sure that that gets linked, and we will just go from there. We'll take it step by step. I really hope that you enjoy my channel and want to stay subscribed, and until the next giveaway video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.